the East Orlando Chambers today over at Tuff Sheds for another member shout out. So stay tuned.
Good morning, welcome to Tuff Shed. We're a member of the Chamber. We're located here at 8524 East Colonial in Orlando. Tuff Shed is a nationwide company serving your backyard storage barn and garage needs. The company's been in business for 39 years. We have facilities located throughout the country. We do backyard custom barns, offices, playhouses, you name it, you come up with it. I like to say, if you think of it, we can build it for you. Things like this that make us unique in the business. We have a galvanized steel frame, steel floor joists, a door that these hinges are rated at 450 pounds, and excuse me, but I'll show you. You can see with a guy my size, this is a tough door. Steel on the door, patent and cast aluminum handle. This is literally a Tuff Shed. Features that make Tuff Shed unique are things like this. This is the thermal barrier. We just refer to it as SilverTech. It's a thermal barrier that reflects heat out. It'll make up to a 30-degree difference. Even when you walk inside and you can feel on a hot afternoon in Orlando, this makes a huge difference. We can vent these properly with a ridge vent and things that you don't need insulation necessarily. With this whole pandemic thing, it's been a very unique situation to our business. I've had people come in and have corporate saying, we'll pay for your backyard office. Things like you would never think of. We need a dedicated space to put our kids distraction free. We can easily do that. Example of some of the custom features that we do. This is what we refer to as one of our dormer models. Exterior, the aesthetics, we can match the style, the colors. We have 30 different standard colors, but we can match the appearance of the house. We can make this an integral part of your backyard. Things like this shows some of the flexibility and features that we offer. Workbench Windows. What we do in our system is build you an a la carte shed. You basically pick out the overall design, the features you want, and then we'll customize it to your needs. One of the things that makes Tuff Shed unique compared to a lot of other shed companies is the fact that we build them here in our factory on East Colonial. We build them in a panelized version, which means when it comes out to you, it's in a knockdown kit form that our installers assemble on site. The thing that really makes that unique is the accessibility. So many people come in and say, I have a small backyard or I have limited access to it. That's not a problem for us. All we need is a 3-foot gate. We can stand the walls up, carry them in. Access is not an issue. We call this a clear story. Clear story with a double vaulted roof line like this, the line of dormer windows. This is real popular for like City of Orlando that has a lot of mid-century modern single slope roofs. Very unique design, and again, we can match any of your architectural designs, make it look like it's been there and built with the house. Here again is a small example of the kind of things that we do. Custom shelving, workbenches, pegboard, again, ventilation. This has got a ridge vent, vents down low, draws cool air in, lets hot air out the top. This goes to show some of our other features and things, products that we build. This is one of our garages. We can build garages any size you want. We can downsize the garage door, make it a small garage, maybe for ATVs, for boats, things like that, all the way up to if you need a 24 by 40 garage, we can build it for you. We have a very comfortable showroom. We'd love to have you come in. Actually, we have a sale coming up this Saturday, and that is the 15th. We call it a PLE, it's a private letter event, and for all you chamber members, feel like you're welcome now to our private letter event. We do it 4 times a year. We offer additional special savings. This weekend we'll have 39% off of upgrades. Standard upgrades would be windows, vents, double doors, things like that. Some additional information: after we install the shed, we put earth augers down, we anchor it to the ground. Big concern here in Florida. What's the wind rating? We achieve an stamped engineered rating of 155 miles an hour. That's huge. That's what, a Cat 3? If you lose more than that, you're probably going to lose your house. So we can take care of you in that regard. Love to have you all come out and see us. Please, you're more than welcome. Safe environment. All we ask is you wear a mask, come in, not necessarily to have an appointment. Thank you.